Let's discuss map and React. So, what is map? Map is nothing, just rendering or displaying an array in React.js, and it comes with two arguments. Let's just say here that let arr is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so what we are going to do here is we are going to create a list here, and in that list I'm going to map that array. Okay, so arr dot map is equal to, here we pass an argument that we will be using instead of that arr. So we say error array, and in that we pass li and a array dot map. Let's just check if we got our, nope, what are we missing here? So yeah, these are the elements of the array being rendered here. So let's just discuss the second parameter of this map function, which is index. Index is nothing, just the location where that certain element is holding up. Like let me just add index instead of array, and yeah, the result is same because the index and the names are same. Let's just change the names. Okay, I will say Jack, Jane, Doe, Mike. Okay, so now the array would display the names, and the index will display the location. So if we are trying to render both, so we can say that index and array jack 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that was a pretty much basic function for map. Let's just I guess populate or complicate the array. Let's just create objects. So array will be array of an array. Yeah, that sounds good. Jasmine and Jack. Okay, let's just change the names. Let's just give it a name too. Name two. Name. No, no, that will be confusing. Let's just say I name it John. I say Alice. I say Jazz. I say Zoomis. Let's see now what we are getting here. We will be not getting anything, I guess. Yeah, whole array, whole array is shown here. Let's just break it down and let's just render Jasmine and remove the index as it is not looking very good. So what we are trying to do here is we are trying to render only the first names. So what we are gonna do? Yeah, we are going to just we are going to give the element number and that will be mapped. Now, how is it working? Let's just dive into that fact. So, what we are mapping is the outer array, not the inner array. Okay. So, outer array is being mapped. Now, it will automatically shows all those three array in an order. Okay. But the inner arrays are not mapped, so they will be fully displayed. In order to map them, let's see what we can do here. I say array array dot map ar Oh, that's a bad idea. Let's just dive into this. So yeah, I guess we need to first check objects now because array part is clear. Let's go to objects. Let obj is equal to okay. Uh, in object we will have a name and gender. Name is Jasmine. Gender is female. Name is John. Gender is male. Name is Alice. Gender is female. Now, what we will be doing here is let's just revise this concept. Let me, yeah. So now, what it is objecting, let replace obj with the arr as we are now mapping obj. So now it is mapped, but these are objects and objects will not be shown in HTML like this. So what we are going to do is, let's say this is obj. Obj's zeroth index is this one. And zeroth, we are going to access the name of zeroth index. So we will be typing array 0 dot name. Yeah, yeah. That one in index, let's see. The obj, the index that's 0, that's 1, and that's 2. Now, if we are mapping the object, we are going to map all of these objects. So in order to just render the name, So you'll be typing array.name. Let's just okay, let's just add remember h3 name h3 and h3 gender array.gender. Okay, now name and genders are being rendered here. So yeah, that's pretty much basic concept of map and React. And yep, that's all.